If you are looking for something really delicious and very authentic, it is right here at OBAAPA'S kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my all-time favorite Ghanaian beans spring rolls. Yes, this is so delicious and it is so crunchy. So please come with me and let's start cooking. So I am going to start making the filling first. So I just turned my stove into a medium heat and I'm going to use coconut oil, but you can use any preferred oil of your choice. And next I just diced up half red onion. With this you can use any onion of your choice. It doesn't have to be the same way, but I kind of like the color and the flavor of the red onions. So we're just gonna let it cook for a minute. So make sure that you let the onion cook, and then let's get our ingredients, the other ones, also ready. So I have in here diced peppers. This is mixed peppers, and with this recipe you can use any peppers of your choice, or you can use even cabbage if you want to. But due to the beans recipe that we're making right now, so just go ahead and use any vegetable of your choice. So let this cook for about a minute. So after a minute, we are going to add in garlic powder. So I'm using this seasoning, and also you can use any season of your choice. And next I have in here my ginger powder, and I'm adding in 1 tablespoon each. And go ahead and stir them up. Because my recipes I use natural spices, so I tend to use more because it is very healthy and it's not, it doesn't have any chemicals in it. So I have in here my mackerel or tuna. You can use any fish of your choice. Stir and let it cook for about a minute. Yes, you don't want to overcook this because we still have to, get this crunchy, like bite when we bite our spring roll. That's the secret behind that. That is how I like mine. So I let it cook for just a minute. After a minute, I'm gonna add in here my parsley. So you can add any seasoning of your choice. This is what I have in here for my kitchen, and that is what I'm going to use. So stir them up and then leave it on to sit for just another minute. The smell is looking really nice. So I just cooked my beans. This is about 1 cup of beans that I just cooked, and that is what I'm going to use. So go ahead and add in there, give it a very sweet and nice stir, and then leave it on to sit for another minute. Yes, we are not gonna overcook this, and yeah, that's why you want it to look really delicious and perfect. So next here I have my diced green onion. Yes, I'm going to add it in there. This is an optional, you don't really have to add that, but I kind of like the flavor of my green onion, and the color, it looks really nice and rich. And of course this is going to be very rich recipe, and it's going to taste delicious. So I like a little bit spicy to it, so I'm adding in a half teaspoon of pepper powder, and then I'm using my herb seasoning. Yes, you can use any season of your choice, like I said, and give it a stir. Let it sit down for just another minute, and then it should be ready. I can't remember when we went to Ghana, I really enjoy my spring roll, especially the beans one, and my husband love it as well. So back with our spring roll wrapper, I'm using this specific ones. I really love this one because it doesn't get dry out so quickly, and it stays moist all the time. And this one you can get it from your local store. They sell it everywhere. And if you feel like you want to make it fresh at home, there's a lot of recipes on YouTube that you can easily look at it and then just make it fresh. But I'm using this one because I really love this. It doesn't dry out, it fried out really beautifully, and that is how I like it. That is my preference. But if you want to start making it like freshly at home, you can just go ahead and use it and make it at home. So next I have in here 1 egg, and this is what I'm going to use to seal my spring roll. Yes, even you can add a little bit of water and adding in some flour, and then mix it and then use it to seal as well. But whenever I use my egg and a little bit of milk, it's just perfect. It sealed out the spring roll really nice. So I'm going to show you how I roll my spring roll. It is very easy steps, stress-free. So what I do is that I grease the ends. That is my preference. I grease the end first before I add in my filling. And after that, you have to roll away from you and then fold the ends in the middle and then roll it away one more time, and that way you get a very beautiful authentic spring roll shape. Yes, and I'm going to show you one more time. So if you are like me, that you like your spring roll like, you know, in a thick consistency, you can use 2 rolls at the same time like I'm showing you right now. So grease the first one and then add the other one to it, you know, and then grease it again. So in that way it's gonna secure your wrap and then it's not gonna come out when you fried it. That is very easy, and it's gonna taste very rich, and then the outside will be very crispy. Yeah, so if you want to double the sheet, feel free and do it like I'm doing in this video. Yes, some people like that way, and sometimes I like mine that way too. But if you want to do it like just in a simple one wrap sheet, feel free and then do it as well. It depends on how you like it. It is so easy, very simple to make, and stress-free as well. So I'm going to show you one more how, you know, I make my spring roll, how I shape it. Yes, it is so easy. Make sure that you use a lot of filling as well. And these beans, it is looking really rich, and that's how we want it. And the taste there, I mean, you enjoy taste near the ankasa. Yes, so we have our oil ready. It is nice and hot, so we're gonna start deep frying these spring rolls. Jai minia the way I didn't see I come on no jai me say we na so boom na so we betiane grill. I said to him, say crispy from the outside and inside too feels very crispy. It is how they make it. So with this, it doesn't take too long, you know, to fry it. It takes about a minute and then it is ready. Yeah, it is so easy. Don't tell me that you cannot make it. It's so easy to prepare at home for your friends and loved ones. You know, share this recipe with them. Let them have the joy of cooking and the happiness that come up from it, and then the fulfillment of cooking your delicious meal at home is just, you know, amazing, and it's just priceless. Oh, Papa, when it comes to my food, I mean, I don't joke. Oh, I do not joke at all, because that's what makes my husband, you know, happy whenever he has his food, and me too, makes me very happy. It's just amazing. So go ahead and fry it up. How to tell that it is done? The color is going to change into very beautiful and rich golden, and that is how you know that it is ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove them while here it's on them. So this is the remaining ones. I'm going to finish frying them and then let them cook, and then it should be ready very soon. Whenever I go to Ghana, this is my easy to go snacks, and all the family loves it, including my dad, my siblings. My husband loves it. Everybody really enjoyed it. So I'm so excited to share this recipe with you, so you can easily make it at home also for your kids and for your loved ones. So this is done. It is looking really nice. So go ahead and remove them from the oil, and you can just use any dipping sauce of your choice. You can even serve it with some fried rice. You know, it goes with anything at all. So thank you so much for watching. This is how I make my authentic Ghanaian spring roll, and I'm gonna break one so you can see how rich it is in the inside and very crispy from the outside. So if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you have any question. Until I see you once again, stay safe, stay joyful, and have a blessed day.